Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowen. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEX topic using distribution with double negation and combining like terms to simplify in the multivariate. Whew, I need to shorten these names up a little bit. Alright, but anyway, that's a big long name that just means we have a couple techniques here that we're going to use to simplify. And this one is a word we don't use as often as maybe we should, but let's just go ahead and break it apart. So there's two parts here. We have multi, which means multiple, or some people say many, but technically we're looking for multiple there, and variate, which means variables. So we're going to have potentially more than one variable in each of these problems. And if you look down here, we have some w's and we have some z's. Okay, that's all that means. So let's go ahead and start simplifying, once again following our order of operations. Looking inside my parentheses, these are not like terms because they do not have the same variable, so there's nothing I can do there to add them together. So I'm going to move then. I have no exponents, so I'm going to go to multiplication and division. Looking through here, there's nothing overtly that says multiplication and division, but remember when you have a coefficient, a number outside those parentheses there, that is a form of multiplication that we call distribution. First part there. So I'm going to distribute that -3. So I'm going to make this a little bit easier on myself to use it. I'm going to make this plus -3 there so I don't accidentally drop some negative signs. So the -3w and the -2z are not involved in this process at all, so I'm just going to bring them down as I get to them. So -3w is just going to come down, plus, bring that one down. What's -3 times -2z is a positive 6z. -3 times a positive 4w is going to give me a negative 12w. And that's the end of my parentheses. So then I get to the -2z, which I'm just going to bring down because it's outside those parentheses. Okay. So now, looking forward, I need to make sure I'm only adding together my like terms. So I have my w's there and there as -3w and -12w. And I have two z's as well as 6z and -2z. So now I want to go ahead and put those together. So I'm going to have my 3w and -12w. They're both negative, so I'm going to get -15w. And then I have my 6z and my -2z. So 6 minus 2, I'm going to get a positive 4z as my last one. So that's going to be my final answer, is -15w plus 4z. All done.